Always be moving towards your message points. When you're in the interview, there's a tendency to just treat it like a normal conversation. Nice, friendly, smart, intelligent reporter asks a question. There's the tendency to think, oh, that's a great question. Let me go down here in my database and pull up every single fact, information, message I have and educate you, Mr. and Ms. Reporter, to make you think I'm smart and like me. Wrong, wrong, wrong. You need to answer the question briefly and then move to one of your message points, and then move to the next message point, and then move to the third and final message point. And to do this repeatedly, you always want to be moving to your message points. Not word for word the same way, not the same order, but thematically you want to be moving to your message points at all times throughout the interview. Remember, this doesn't work if you have bad messages. If the reporter finds your messages uninteresting, this isn't going to work. That's why we spend so much time really coming up with great messages that we're certain are of interest to the reporter, the audience, and important to us.